Yo, what's up? So today is the first NFP in 2023, and yeah, I just got in a crazy set. So what happened is that before the NFP, I had analyzed my charts, and I was selling gold. So my entry was around 1839 or something, and my take profit was around 1812, and my stop loss was around 1853. So yeah, I entered in my entries, I entered in everything, and this was my setup. So now I was set, and I was just waiting for price to do whatever I wanted to. So I was in profit. I was in around 200 and something, so that was pretty much cool. But I didn't go out because now I am trying to do something. I analyze the market. Of course, I do not know where the market is going to. My father doesn't run the market, so definitely I am not trying to predict the market. But as traders, we try to analyze the market and try to see where the market could possibly go by means of analysis. And after I analyzed the market, I thought it was going to sell, and in fact I did gain profit of some 20 and something dollar. But then the market started going against me, and yeah, at this point you could be like, oh man, why didn't you close out? Yeah, I know. But yeah, I'm at this point of my trading career where I like to play by the books. So when I get in a trade, I try to find a good entry. I try to put my stop loss and take profit, and then I just let the trade run. So for each trade that I open, I am usually risking 1% for a 2% profit, or 1.5% for a 3% to 4% profit. And on this trade, I think I was risking almost for the first entry, I was risking about 1.2%. And then yeah, somewhere around somewhere in this video, you will see that I opened another trade, and in total I was risking about 1.9% for those two entries, which is around 2%. And if I had gotten in profit, I would have been making 5%, so I was holding, and the NFP, I already got in the second sell, and I was holding, and the NFP was going crazy. And yeah, before you say anything, the price it actually retraced at some point, and almost even got close to my entry. But as I said earlier, I have already decided not to close out or jump out of the trade, but to actually let my setup play out, And yeah, that has been profitable for me, and I plan to continue doing that. So yeah, I was still holding, and yeah, price kept going up like crazy, and I was there holding, and we kept holding. So from here you can see that once price got close to 1853, the market started to retrace. So price went down, I think up to 18, came back down, up close to my very first entry at 1840 area, as you can see. And then price continued, then started to pull back up again, and again I returned I went back in on the negative, and I just kept on holding because that was the plan. Either we hit a take profit or we hit a stop loss. So I continued to let the market play out, and I was still holding. I was just holding. At this stage, price was really approaching my stop loss, and I was not panicking because I had already made up my mind on these trades, and I was like, whatever happened. And you have to take note that for the day, I was already 1.9% up, so I was already making $1,900 and something for the day. So even if I took this trade of even if I took these losses, I was just going to probably be losing just my profit for the day. So I wasn't really bothered. And you have to know that I'm trading a funded account, an E8 funded account. So I'm trading a 100k account, a prop firm account, and the drawdown for this account is 5k, which is 5%. So my SL got hit, and immediately my SL got hit, I knew that the trend had changed, So now we're going from a bearish trend, because the bearish trend ended at 1853. So now I got in a buy, and immediately I was up 4k plus. So I already recovered my lose, and I was up extra 2k. So nice. I was holding that one, and it was flying up. It was going up aggressively, and I was just holding. I was just chilling. So the moral of this lesson is plan, analyze your chart, trade, analyze the markets, make your analysis and everything, but know where each trend ends, and when the market changes direction, be smart enough to change, because you're not the market maker. So don't try to make the market go your way. Don't expect the market to do the things you want. So at this stage, I just closed out. So I took profit, and around 4k plus, I closed out my profit.